All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures beta. Learn local storage by building a Todo App. Step 5. All right. So now we're going to create a taskData constant and set it to an empty array. This array will store all the tasks along with their associated data, including title, due date, and description. This storage will enable us to keep track of tasks, display them on the page, and save them to local storage, right? We're also going to use let to create a currentTask variable and set it to an empty object. And this variable will be used to track the state when editing and discarding tasks, all right? So yeah, let's check out what this stuff is right now. So right now, this thing's empty. This would be the array. This would be the empty array right now, with nothing inside of it. So when we add a new task, this stuff right here is now in the currentTask section. When we add something like this, blah, 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 we do a date 17 and description, blah, blah, blah. This is all still in the currentTask let variable right here with the object, all right? So when we update the task, this stuff is now another object that we just put into the taskData constant. So this is the constant right here. And when we edit it, when we push edit, this stuff is back again in the currentTask thing, right? So and then when we get rid of this and we delete it like that, now that took that out of the taskData const, and now it's an empty array again. So let's come back down. Let's come down here. Let's do const taskData, right? And that's going to equal an empty array like this. So this array is going to hold a bunch of objects inside of it. And right now it's empty, just like it's empty right here, right? And then we're going to come down here and we'll say on line 15, let currentTask equal an empty object like this. And this object we're going to save into the taskData. So this object is this object right here. We're manipulating it like this right now on the preview. And then we're doing all that stuff. And then we say update task and boom, it does that. We can come over here and say edit again, and we can edit it some more. But if we don't like it, we can do that. And then we can say discard the changes. So it just discarded the changes. We can delete it like that. And now this thing's empty once again, and this thing's empty also, right? Hopefully that stuff makes sense. We'll go over this a lot more later. So let's check the code. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to step 6, and we'll see you next time.